All right. Well, I'll get that one day, I guess. Just down the rock here. You can jump this. I've seen the rider do it. Never. Nice.
Whoa! It's slippery down here, man.
Like my control right there. Oh, see, front brake's washing out. Yeah. Looks really grippy. How's the bottom there? Yeah, I got it. Woo! Oh, and then a huck. Oh, I did. Oh, well. I have never done this, you know.
There you go. That sounds.
In the rain. Right after the rider wiped out on this one. Woo! Oh! You hit a little bit. You dragged a little bit of moss with you?
Yeah.
As soon as you did, your tire slid.
Ooh, it's slippery, man. I'm taking her easy. Just so you know.
That's the only way I go.
What's that?
It's the only way I go.
Oh, fuck.
Oh!
Loose rocks.
Oh! Thanks, Jamie. You all right? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do the Jamie special. I'm gonna go into there. Trees. Not moving. Well, I've never gone down that little bit. It's just a little bit, though.
Pete does that line.
Oh, I got full brakes now. Back in control.
This is the way you creep it. You can come to a stop.
This is like, look at these two guys in mega control here. Look, Jamie, I'm stopped.
I stopped there too.
I'm stopped. I'm on In-N-Out Burger. I'm moving at no speed. Okay, I gotta go a little faster now. Look, Jamie, look. Jamie, look, hurry up, look it. Stop. Woo! Woo! Oh, bit of a creek here. Oh, this next one she fell down. Whoa! She fell down that one, Jamie. Did you? No, she fell right there to your left. Yeah. Yeah. I just wish this trail kept going.
Like it went that way.
Yeah.
It's probably a big cliff.
Oh, there has to be, because it's got such an abrupt ending, right?
Yeah.
like